The way I like to think of it is that we design and manufacture the infrastructure that supports the advancement of society, which is our grid, which is the electric distribution system, supply and distribution system. And the pressures that manufacturers go through to design and manufacture and deliver structures for a power line comes really at the end of a long process that the utility has been involved with. They've nurtured this need. It started out as a circuit, much like a relay, where there was 2 points that for reliability and resilience of the grid needed to be connected with a certain voltage. And that then becomes a long road of defining routes, determining environmental impact, getting public participation, doing designs and preliminary designs, ultimately headed for a budget and for a permitting authority from the Public Utility Commission and rate and potential rate cases to justify that infrastructure. So this project that comes to the manufacturing and construction stage has been squeezed. That schedule has been squeezed, and there's been a lot of pressure. So I empathize. I've been there in the manufacturing role, in the line design role, where I respected the process that brought this project to the point where you can apply funds to it. You can apply orders to it. And respecting the project and those that advanced it that far down the field is an important part of how I think ultimately this relates to what EXO does. Because that set of pressures oftentimes produces strains on resources, it produces strains on knowledge and work hours. There's all sorts of opportunity for those pressures to translate into maybe a quality escape. And one of those things that we do at EXO not only is doing a vendor quality audit and a scored audit about their ability to be set up for performing that important role, but also some in-plant inspection during our utility clients' project as it passes through that process that we've already audited. And it's very important that those, for the success of everyone, including the manufacturer, including the contractor, and especially, obviously, the utility, that quality issues are identified and dealt with at that point in time.
That's right.
Because if they escape the manufacturing plant or the galvanizing yard, then it's only going to be a more expensive option to remedy, and a lot fewer options to do, especially even if it gets installed and that problem starts surfacing maybe at the end of the warranty or later in life.